Dynamic Doors is your full-service garage door company that provides repair, service, and installation for customers of Chicagoland and surrounding areas. Whether you need a quick fix or an extensive overhaul, we strive to provide personal customer service and expertise in garage door installation and maintenance. We offer same-day and emergency services for residential and commercial customers, as well as a large collection of garage doors to fit your needs. At Dynamic Doors, our garage doors are built to last.